Have you ever pondered what the future of food might look like? We're not just talking about new recipes or exotic ingredients. We're talking about a revolution in how we produce and consume food. The game changer? Food printing. Yes, you heard that right. Picture this: a device in your kitchen that could print your meals, transforming cooking into a high-tech art. Imagine a world where creating a meal is as simple as pressing a button. Welcome to the world of food printing. So what exactly is food printing and how does it work? Well, let's dive right in. Food printing, also known as 3D food printing, is a culinary game changer. Just like a 3D printer creates three-dimensional objects layer by layer, a food printer uses edible ingredients to create intricate food items. Imagine having a machine in your kitchen that uses a variety of edible inks, or food cartridges, if you will, filled with pureed foods or other edible materials. You input your desired recipe or design, and voila, the printer constructs your dish, layer by layer, into a three-dimensional edible creation. Now you might be wondering, why would we need such technology? The benefits are manifold. First off, there's convenience. With the press of a button, you can have a fresh, hot meal without the hassle of peeling, chopping, stirring, or even cleaning up after. Next, there's customization. Food printing lets you cater to individual dietary needs and preferences without extra effort. You can adjust the ingredients, portion sizes, and even the shape of your food, making each meal a personalized culinary experience. Lastly, it's about reducing food waste. With food printing, you only use the exact amount of ingredients needed, thus minimizing waste. Plus, it could potentially extend the shelf life of certain food items. Food printing, in essence, is the next step in the evolution of cooking, taking us from hands-on preparation to the press of a button. Now that we have a basic understanding of what food printing is, let's delve into the subject a bit more. Food printing, also known as 3D